Electrical gremlins are the absolute worst nightmare for any car owner, aren't they? One minute your car's running perfectly, and the next, your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree because of a voltage drop you can't even see. That is the essence of the P06B4 trouble code. It stands for Sensor Power Supply B Circuit Low. In simple terms, your car's brain, the powertrain control module, sends out a reference volt, usually 5 volts, to power up various sensors like the exhaust gas recirculation system, oxygen sensors, or transmission component. Think of this circuit like a power strip in your house. If the voltage to that power strip drops too low, none of the appliances plugged into it will work correctly. That is what is happening here. The Circuit B designation just identifies which specific group of sensors is affected. This is a severe code because if the computer can't trust the data from these sensors due to low power, it can't run the engine or transmission safely. You might find your transfer case stops working on a four-wheel drive. The engine might hesitate or stumble, your fuel economy could tank, or the transmission might shift so harshly it feels like you've been rear-ended. Troubleshooting this requires a bit of patience and a multimeter. First, scan for other code. Often a specific sensor will short out and drag the whole circuit down, so fixing a different code might clear this one up. If this is the only code, you need to look for technical service bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific year and model, as this is often a known software glitch or a common wiring rub-through point. If there are no bulletins, you're going to need to grab a wiring diagram. You're looking for a short to ground or a loose connection that is draining the voltage. Check your fuses and relays, but don't just look at them. Test them with a multimeter while the circuit is loaded. Sometimes a fuse looks fine but has a hairline crack. Also, inspect the wiring harness for any signs of melting against the exhaust or water intrusion. If all the wiring checks out, you might be looking at a failed PCM that isn't sending out the voltage anymore. But that is the last resort. Always verify the wiring integrity first.